Ron here, along with Andrew Darius and the entire Fresh Domain Leads team. The main problem every vendor and affiliate encounters is having fresh leads to sell to. And not just any leads though, but leads from prospects who not only already showed interest, but who've also spent money pursuing it. And while all methods of getting buyers' leads should be used, there is one way of getting the leads which does not involve the need for traffic. But it does require the combination of tech and legal access to the bulk information, which is what we have. The leads, which don't require traffic, are information about prospects who have recently spent money buying a domain name, including the day before. You see, domain name registration info is publicly available by law, so everybody who knows a domain name can search the Whois database themselves. But there are two problems with the public version of the system, which makes it virtually impossible to be used as a lead source. The main problem is that there is no way to get the list of freshly registered domain names, including the domain names registered the day before. The other problem is that getting info one by one is extremely time consuming. And what makes it even worse is the fact that a big number of domain names are registered through third-party privacy services. The Fresh Domain Leads software provides all the registrant info from freshly registered domain names, and it filters out domain names registered with third-party privacy services to remove the clutter. And with a service like this, it's also very important that the lead info is not shared with more than a few people. Otherwise, the prospect would be overwhelmed with offers. This is why, as long as there are enough new domain names registered on any given day, the Fresh Domain Leads software delivers the same lead only to one member, which makes the value of the lead much higher and the prospect more likely to respond to a relevant offer. The front-end offer is $47 for lifetime access to Fresh Domain Leads standard version membership, which gives the user access to 30 unique leads per day. Thanks, and we'll see you.
Hello and welcome to the Fresh Domain Leads demo video. During this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the software works and how you can use it to find paying prospects to offer your services to. So once we are logged in here, you can see that we have a lot of different domain names listed and a lot of information to go along with that domain name. So the website here is updated every single day with 30 brand new domain names that were registered the day before. So we can see the domain name, what it's called. We can see their name servers, the creation date, the updated date, and the expiration date. If we click on the registrant info, we can now see the name of the person who registered that domain name, their organization, their country, their state, and their city. And then last but not least, we can click on the registrant contact and we can see the address for that person, their zip code, their phone number, their fax, and their email. So as you can imagine, this information is extremely valuable. So just as an example, if I wanted to offer my services to someone who was working in the credit niche, we can see affordablecreditrepair.tools. I can use this information to contact this buyer by phone number, or I can send them an email offering my services and letting them know that I can help them with their website creation, with driving traffic, with generating leads, anything like that. I have all of this information at my disposal and it's updated every single day with brand new domain names. And that's just how simple and easy it is to use the Fresh Domain Leads software.